In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase your QuickBooks Online data and start over. Whether you've made a mistake during setup, imported the wrong data, or simply want a fresh start, QuickBooks Online offers a way to reset your company data. This process allows you to clear out everything and begin again, but it's important to handle it carefully to avoid losing anything critical. Today, I'll guide you through the exact steps to purge your QuickBooks Online data safely and efficiently. And if you're new to QuickBooks, you'll find a link in the description to create an account and get started. First, make sure you're signed in to the correct QuickBooks Online company. You'll need to have admin access to complete this process, so double-check you're using the right login credentials for the account you want to reset. It's crucial to confirm you're in the correct company account because this process will permanently erase data and there's no going back once it's done. Next, take a moment to verify your company account details and review any data you might need later. This includes your customer lists, chart of accounts, or past invoices. It's always a good idea to double-check this information and make note of anything you might want to reference in the future. Before you proceed, export copies or save reports of any data you want to retain. QuickBooks makes it easy to generate reports and export customer details or financial records. For example, if you need a backup of your customer list, simply download a copy to your computer. Doing this ensures you have a record of important information before you delete your company data. Once you've saved everything you need, locate the web address or URL at the top of your browser while logged into your QuickBooks Online company. This is the address that starts with www.quickbooks.intuit.com. You'll need to make a small change to this URL to begin the purge process. Now replace the last word in the URL with the words purge company, all lowercase, with no spaces. Then press the Enter key. This will take you to a special page within QuickBooks Online designed for resetting your company data. On the Purge Company page, you'll see a set of warnings explaining what this process will do. Read these warnings carefully. The page will outline the specific data that will be deleted and emphasize the permanence of this action. This step is critical as there's no undo button once you proceed. If you're absolutely sure you want to go ahead, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the purge. QuickBooks may require you to type in a word or click a confirmation button to ensure you understand the consequences. Take your time and review everything one last time before confirming. After you've confirmed, the system will begin processing the purge. This may take a few moments, so be patient as QuickBooks resets your company data. Once the process is complete, your account will be cleared and you can start fresh. It's important to note that this option is only available if your QuickBooks Online company was created within the last 60 days. If your account is older than 60 days, you won't see the Purge Company option. In that case, you'll need to cancel your subscription and contact QuickBooks Online customer support to request a data deletion. They will guide you through the next steps to achieve a similar result. Before concluding, double-check that you've saved any necessary data and confirmed you're in the right company account. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be ready to move forward with a clean slate. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.